Food production is essential to the world. Without food production we would not be able to survive and function in everyday life. But there are many environmental challenges that make it very difficult to produce food, such as droughts and water scarcity. Water scarcity occurs when there are long-term water imbalances. Water scarcity mostly appears in low rainfall areas, high population density areas, or places with lots of industrial activity due to lots of pollution. Droughts are when there is a long break of average water availability due to insufficient rainfall. The effects of droughts can greatly impact an area dealing with low water resources that are poorly managed. This results in imbalances in the supply of natural water systems and high demands for water. These environmental challenges cause a serious threat to our food production, as seen before in Australia and other countries that experience water scarcity often. Droughts and water scarcity has recently been affecting many places around the world. This has caused many farmers and agricultural industries to lose produce. And as a result, this has made them lose business deals and also affects the production and access to food around the world. Australia is a massive food exporting country, and despite having a small contribution to the total global food supply, Australia's addition to the world trade in wheat, dairy, and meat products is significant and could affect the international food prices. Australia has recently been affected by one of the worst droughts ever recorded in history, with New South Wales, Northwest Victoria, and eastern South Australia experiencing the least amount of rainfall in the whole of Australia. According to WaterLogicAustralia.com, the World Resources Institute estimates that 33 countries will face the water crisis by 2040.
The impacts and effects this has on Australia's environment, trade and economy is massive. Rivers and lakes are drying up and causing crops and animals to die. This affects Australia's economic status and could potentially cause Australia's trade deals to end in the future. Droughts, floods, storms and other disasters triggered by climate change have risen in frequency and cruelty over the last 30 years. Increasing the damage caused to the agricultural sectors of many developing countries and putting them at risk of growing food insecurity worldwide. Between 2003 and 2013, the period analyzed in the study, the average annual number of disasters caused by all types of natural hazards, including climate-related events, almost doubled since the 1980s. The total economic damage caused is estimated at $1.5 trillion.